Volkswagen's upcoming midsize electric sedan, the 2025 VW ID.7, aims to re-establish the brand's appeal and strengthen its EV offerings. Developed on the MEB platform, shared with other VW electric vehicles, the ID.7 showcases the culmination of VW's electric expertise. While still in development, it has received positive feedback from an early prototype drive. Comparing in size to a Mercedes E-Class sedan, the ID.7 features a streamlined design with aerodynamic elements, achieving a drag coefficient of 0.23. It's equipped with a 77 kilowatt-hour battery standard in the US, while a larger 86 kilowatt-hour option will be available for European markets. The rear-mounted electric motor delivers 282 horsepower and 402 lb-ft of torque, supporting a smooth and refined driving experience. The ID.7's battery architecture enables fast charging speeds of up to 200 kilowatts. During a test drive, the ID.7 displayed neutral handling and comfortable driving characteristics. Its steering is light with minimal feedback, catering to a serene driving experience. Throttle response is typical of electric vehicles, offering instant torque off the line. The car features driving modes for steering, throttle response, suspension, and regenerative braking adjustments. Inside, the ID.7 offers a spacious and comfortable cabin. It showcases a 15-inch infotainment screen with updated software, incorporating customizable features and improved controls. The gauge cluster has been minimized to a small rectangular screen, as a heads-up display will be standard. New massage seats, ambient lighting, and a high-end sound system enhance the interior experience. However, the cabin air vents are exclusively touchscreen controlled, a potential point of contention. Additional tech features and driver assist capabilities will be revealed later. While pricing and specific details are yet to be disclosed, the ID.7 represents a significant step forward for VW in the EV market, with the potential to rekindle the brand's reputation for compelling vehicles.